something in here. You come back here. We'll put the present up front. There we go. What's in the bag? Good job. What have you got? It's a gingerbread man. He's supposed to squeak. What else is in there? A snowball. Yay. Yeah, and then we've got a game to play. Would you like a strawberry muffin for breakfast? You would? Break that up.
If I try to break this up, it will shatter. So you can break it up in your mouth.
Okay, one more.
Down, 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 down. We're working on down. Down, down. Yes. Good girl. Good girl, Maggie.
All right. All gone. All gone. Now you have toys to play with. Good job, Maggie.
Find the squeaker. Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.